Welcome back, guys. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to host your site on NETIFY. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is we're going to be this is what we're going to be hosting actually from our last project. So we're going to go to your browser and type netlify.com and enter. So I already have an account with NETIFY. All you need to do, just click on sign up, fill up. You can either sign up with your GitHub. I already have an account with them, so this is mine. So the next thing you're going to do is find this where they wrote add new site. Click on add new site to bring you either importing an existing project, start from template, deploy manually. We're going to click on deploy manually. So after clicking on deploy manually, so you can see where they say drag and drop your site. Good. So that's where this is what you're going to be using. So this is our folder already ready from our last project. So I'm going to drag this and drop here. So I'll drag and drop. Let's wait for it to upload and then we'll run it and see if it was successful. So this is it. It's published already. So let's click this. Good. So our site is officially hosted. So I can send someone this link and they will see this page that we built. So this is a simple way of hosting your site on NETIFY. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you on our next one.